Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video is of the Vax Rapid Power Revive, and it is a carpet cleaner, and I've had it for about 2.5 months now, and I've got to be honest, I'm loving the fact that I have access in my own home to such a powerful, and that's no exaggeration when I say power, this thing is powerful. Love the fact that inside the box they actually include a 250 milliliter platinum solution, so that's nice that that comes inside the box. You also get a 2.5 meter hose, that's for doing your car interiors. You attach it to the bottom cleaner. You can also do your stairs with it. But last but not least, the actual getting started manual. For myself, I did have to give it a little skim through because I have no idea how to use these things. I've never even owned a Vax carpet washing machine before, so I'm clearly moving up in the world. Once you've removed everything out of the box, it's easy to find the screws. You just get yourself a screwdriver, you follow the instructions, you attach everything together. It's really not rocket science, it's quite easy. It's a clicking in system. Click in, click out, lock it in, lock out, easy. You've got like the solution chamber, and then you've got the water chamber, which I believe you should never use water that is over 40 degrees due to higher temperatures possibly damaging the internals of the machine. I primarily bought this because look, I was going to carpet cleaning companies looking for a carpet cleaner, and they were quoting me in excess of £300 for my 50 square meter flat, which is all covered in carpet, including the staircase. So I thought, look, go figure, like, okay, you know, you spend £200 on the Vax carpet cleaner, but then you have access to that machine whenever you need it. So in the long run, you've saved money by just spending the 200 instead of spending £300 every time you need a carpet cleaning company to come around your house. Some of the selling points to this particular model is the extra large tank, which does give a longer clean. There is also an auto mix system, which I didn't really understand that at first, but it's great that you can like put your solution in and it just sort of mixes with your water automatically. There's a deep cleaning mode and a quick clean mode. Primarily, if I'm going to pull this machine out of my cupboard every 3 to 6 months, possibly 6, but it does, I suppose, highly depend on how much mess actually gets onto my carpet, but deep cleans maybe once every 3 months, just to keep them looking nice and shiny and spruce them up a little bit. They also have a quick dry feature. If you do the quick clean, you're likely to find that your carpets will be dry within 1 hour. That's obviously their predicted time. In my testing, it has actually been that, almost, if honest. The deep clean, maybe a couple of hours, but I do run a dehumidifier at the same time just to get excess moisture out of the underlay and the carpet. There is also a wash and a rinse mode built into this machine, which is fantastic really for the price. So online it says wash mode works with solution to lift away any dirt from your carpets, leaving them looking clean and smelling fresh. So with their Automix solution, they call it a technology, I'm guessing it's just like a feature. It doesn't matter how much solution I put in there. I don't obviously overfill it. Please don't overfill it, because they recommend removing all of the solution from the tank, especially when not in use. I actually really love this, that I don't have to spend so much time and worrying about like amounts and things like that. You just put it in, make sure it's not overkill, and make sure it's enough for you to actually use so you're not wasting washing solution. When it comes to the water, you can fill that up as much as you need and it'll just mix it automatically. Pretty good. The twin tanks ensure clean and dirty water is kept separate, meaning you'll only ever put clean water and solution into your carpets. That's pretty good, the fact that it does that. And I've noticed, so the top tank is where you obviously put your clean water, and then as it's cleaning and going through the system, all the dirty water is collected at the bottom, which is really easy to sort of when you're done with it, you just unhook it, you unclip it, and there's even like a little drainer thing, and you just drain the dirty water, clean it out, let it dry, all that kind of good stuff. It's pretty good. As you can see, Valentino is doing his usual, where he thinks he's helping, but in actual fact, he's just sitting where we've just cleaned. So he's making it worse, as he always does. But you know what? That's Valentino for you. We love him no matter what. I love him no matter what. It's got a lot of good reviews online as well. I've enjoyed this machine. I paid £199. I would recommend looking into it if it's your first machine to buy or you're thinking about it. If you're not thinking about it, shop around, keep looking, see what else might be suited for you. I do have quite a high pile with a decent underlay on my carpet system, so I needed something that can get really deep inside or can be very quick clean and just skim over. This has everything that I could need for now. But in my testing of this machine, I enjoy it, I love it, and I would recommend it for the average household, the family household, anyone with, even with a pet, maybe not too long haired, but short hair would be good, I think. One thing I didn't mention is it's very loud. So if you have got neighbours that are sound sensitive, probably best to do your carpets when they're not in, or get a whole wrath of complaints. It sounds like an airplane's actually taking off in the building. But, you know, there's a lot of power behind this thing, and I get it. It's clearly, you know, it's clearly got to have all this power to be able to do all these different functions. If you've liked this video, if you like my channel, please do not hesitate to hit that like button. Also subscribe and ding that notifications bell. I'm a learner. I'm just saying what I see. I'm just showing what I buy. And look forward to you tuning in again. So yeah, please help support me. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.